This book talk is about Vincent and Theo, the Van Gogh brothers, by Deborah Heigelman. Vincent and Theo is a biography about the two Van Gogh brothers. The story follows them as they grow up from children to adulthood and shows what they went through as they grew up. As you read this biography, you learn about the lives of Vincent and Theo and the happiness they experienced and the struggles that they went through throughout their lives. It shows that Vincent and Theo's lives were intertwined. The brothers were very close and were great friends. In fact, the closest that they shared and their friendship helped to shape their lives. Why were the two brothers so close? How did they support each other? How did Theo support Vincent and help him? Did Theo's support help Vincent become the famous artist he is known today? Why were the two brothers so close? Why were they not as close to their other siblings? Was it the fact that they were in similar fields helped them become so close? Read Vincent and Theo, the Van Gogh brothers, to find out the answers to these questions and to learn more about the Van Gogh brothers.